$1,600 United States dollars to be made on this website. And that's not all, there's a rate of money to be made on this website. You can see $28.50, which is available to be cashed out now. You can see $32 already cashed out from this account. And you can see that $60.50 has been made on this account since it was created. And this account is a new account because I learned about this website recently. So I'm going to show you the website and the tricks you are going to use to start making money on this website. So make sure you watch till the end of this video. Very important. Before we continue, in case today is your first time coming across this YouTube channel, my name is Victor Okonkwo. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel and also turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I drop a new video. I'll also encourage you to give this video a thumbs up so that I'll be motivated to do more videos like this. But most importantly, subscribe to this YouTube channel. I'll give you a few seconds to do that. Subscribe. Thank you very much for doing that. Now, let's continue. So you can see the website here, mindsumo.com. You can see the URL on my tax bar. So you can make a lot of money on this website if you take it serious. So once you come over here, tap on this page that says challenges. Share your creative ideas and get paid. Mindsumo challenges let you flex your knowledge, earn cash, and provide companies with innovative ideas that solve real-world problems. So here you bring solutions to companies and you get paid. Just come down here, you see active challenges. You see total reward $1,600. Time remaining is 23 days, and the status is active. So this challenge is still active. This one too is active. Then this one is on the reviewing process. If you go down here, you can see the one that have been completed challenges. So this one is 4 months ago, $800. Let me just open one, for example, and show you how much people are making here. So this one is expired 5 months ago. Let me open this one. So once you come over to this challenge now, just scroll down here and you see the people that won it. You see the first person that won it. This person is a Nigerian, he won $41. Then this one also won $41. You can see he's River State University of Science and Technology. So here you don't need to fake your details. Maybe you can register as a Nigerian, but if you also want, you can also register as a US person. So here you can see this person. Then this one is also a Nigerian, $41, Daniel Adeleke. So whether you are from Nigeria or Ghana or South Africa, anywhere you are, you can actually make money on this website. If you go ahead and open all the other ones, you see how much people are making here. So let me open this particular one. Then let's scroll down and see how much people are making here. So you can see this one made $111. This one for University of Chicago. This also, all of them won $111. You see this guy also won $111. See, this guy is making a lot of money here. This is Daniel Adeleke. He won money in the previous one that we opened and also won money here. So you can just come here and register yourself and start making money. So let me show you how you can come up with creative ideas and submit here. So let me just use one of these as an example. So let me open this one. You can see the once you want to apply, check the spots that are taken. You see 300 spots, 276 spots over 300. So it's just remaining little spots. So if you reach 300, then all the spots will be taken and there will not be other spots for you to submit your ideas. And this, I can also take note of the deadline. 23 days left. So once you come here, just read all these details and understand them. Like the one that is confusing to you, just make your research, Google it, then you check the deliverables, read all these questions. So see where you are going to submit your ideas. Start submitting your idea. So for you to come up with a creative idea, you're going to make use of ChatGPT. So once you come to ChatGPT, the first thing you're going to do, you have to give this prompt to ChatGPT. I want to give you some information and you help me come up with creative ideas. Can you do that? That's the first question you're going to ask ChatGPT. Then press send. You press send. And then you wait for what ChatGPT will tell you. You say absolutely. So once ChatGPT have give you a green light to proceed. Then you come back to this place, then you copy this part. You first copy this part. Once you all copy it, you go over to ChatGPT. Then this is what I'm going to tell ChatGPT. So before you paste that in, this is what you're going to tell ChatGPT. Read what I'm about to send to you and understand it. Then you press enter. Then you wait for what ChatGPT will tell you. Then you paste this. You paste that thing that you copied. Then you paste that thing that you copied. Then you see what the ChatGPT said. Thank you for sharing that information again. I have read and understood the objective of transform. So once you have what ChatGPT has told you this thing, what you're going to do, you now come back here. Then from here, you copy all these things. Maybe you can copy the first one and copy the first one. Then you now paste it here. Then press enter. So you see what the ChatGPT is generating. So once ChatGPT has generated this thing, so what I'm going to do is that I'm going to copy this thing that ChatGPT generated for me. These answers, I'm going to copy it. I'll copy it. Then I'll open my notepad. Then I'll paste it. I'll paste the first answer here. Then I'll now go back and copy the second question. I'll copy the second question. Then I'll go over to ChatGPT again. I'll paste it again. I'll paste this second question. Then I will hit enter. Then ChatGPT is generating another answer for us. So once it has generated this one, I'll copy it again. Then go back to my notepad again and paste it again. That is the second answer to the second question. So this is how you do all these things. This is not the end. Once you have answered all these questions using ChatGPT, once you have generated answers using ChatGPT, you are not going to copy it like that and paste it here. The thing will, if the person is reading it, maybe the owner of this company is reading it, the thing will look like it's generated with ChatGPT. The person is going to know. So what do? You are going to paraphrase it and make it look more like a human being. You understand? Because this is AI that wrote it. So the thing will be looking, if somebody is reading it, you know that it's AI that wrote it. So you're going to make it look like it's a human being that wrote it. So how do you do it? You can come here and use Quillbot to paraphrase those answers. You understand? Then after you're done with paraphrasing, you can also use this proofreader. I can use this proofreader to check whether there's grammatical errors, because these people, they normally check grammatical errors. If you have grammatical errors, they will use that to disqualify you. So you use that Quillbot to check grammatical error, like check the grammar, then proofread it. Once you are done, you can now come here and submit it. Once you submit it, they will now review it. Then if you did well in your task, you'll be among the people that will share this $1,000. Either you get $400 or you get $200, depending on how good your answer is. You understand? Depending on how creative your idea is. So if we come over here, you see that I'm using the premium version of Quillbot. You can see it here. I'm using the premium version of Quillbot. The amazing thing is that I did not pay for this. I got it for free, this premium Quillbot. So, and you need a premium Quillbot to do all these tasks.
You can actually use the free version, but the premium one will serve you better.
So in case you need the premium version of this Quillbot, if you want me to do a video about how to get Quillbot Premium for free, just comment below. If I get up to 20 comments, I will do a video about how to get Quillbot Premium. So just go ahead and comment below, I need Quillbot Premium, and I will do a video about how to get it for free. You're not going to pay for anything. So go ahead and comment below. Then I will know how many people that are interested. Then if enough people signify, I will do a video about it.
So go ahead and drop a comment. Let's go.